Number 1. Poor choosing of fabric. If you do not care about what is the right material for your project, then your project will look cheap, different from expected, or may not get the right fit. Number 2. Using old or damaged sewing machine needle. Not changing your sewing machine needle might cause puckers or cause damages to your fabric. Number 3. Prepping fabric. Do not pre-wash your fabric before sewing. Washing before sewing might cause shrinking of fabric or stains. Number 4. Using the wrong tension on your sewing machine. When the upper and the lower tension are not balanced, it causes pulls or puckers your fabric and leave you with bad-looking seam. Number 5. Using wrong measurements. This mistake mostly happens while taking customers' measurements, and it causes bad fittings. Number 6. Not cleaning and oiling your sewing machine. Not having a cleaning schedule for your sewing machine may cause dirt to store around the bobbin case. Clean any loose thread after every project, and keep the sewing machine covered. Number 7. Not taking a break when needed. You may not be calm doing your project when tired. It may look like the sewing machine has a problem, but you are the problem. You should take a rest. It is necessary to take break when tired or stressed. Number 8. Not pressing your seams as you sew. This make your work look squeeze after sewing. Sew as many as you can before joining the final piece, and then press them in batches. Also, open pressing is the best way for seam pressing. Number 9. Ironing with too high or too low temperature. This will guide you when pressing. Low, synthetic. Not too low, silk. Medium, wool. Not too high, cotton. High, linen. Number 10. Using the same scissors to cut paper and fabric. Using your fabric scissors to cut paper may weaken the scissors. It will continue cutting the paper properly but may not continue cutting fabric properly. Thanks for watching 10 sewing mistakes you should avoid. Like, comment, share, subscribe and click on the notification bell.